I'm Jesse Wood. I am an EET instructor here at YTI. Today I had my students build a Simon Says game out of the Arduino. They used 4 separate lights, 4 separate buttons. They wired them up to their controller. Our controllers are going to have inputs and outputs. We put a speaker to it so it has sound. The purpose of the game is memory. So we'll start. And each button corresponds to each light, and we just have to match them. This is a beginning project. In term 3, we're in digital, and this is introducing the Arduino microprocessor to them. As we go further into it, these circuits get more complex, doing a lot more.